Mothers are one of the first indications of the sovereignty of God in our lives. Mothers teach us to have confidence and belief in ourselves. Mothers knew from experience how important for people to believe in themselves in order for children to be whole, strong, and grow with a healthy estimation of oneself. Mother is a word which fills everyone with emotions. A mother is certainly the most important human being in everyone's life. Mother's love for her child certainly cannot be compared with anything. Her level of forgiveness is unmatchable. A mother is capable of forgiving any wrongdoing. Mother is the most important woman in everyone's life. A mother sacrifices her happiness for her child. No one else can care for their kids the way a mother does. A mother is great and does not need anyone like me explaining that. It is a small attempt to discover the greatness of a mother. Mothers are highly responsible women. They certainly play a very important role in the upbringing of a child. Most noteworthy, mothers play a huge role in determining a child's attitude. Whether a child will be good or evil in the future depends upon the mother. The moral values taught by mother probably play a huge role. Individuals often remember their mother's values until old age. Hence, the mother is responsible for the well being of society. The future of society, in a large way, is the result of mother's teaching. Mothers also are the emotional backbone of the family. They support everyone's feeling in a family. Family members can certainly tell their emotions to mothers without worry. An individual can share almost any secret with mother. This is because mothers have a huge level of trust with their family. Furthermore, mothers have an extremely forgiving nature. Hence, even wrongdoing can be shared with a mother. Mothers are precious gifts from God. Without mothers, life would certainly be dark and gloomy. Therefore, it is our duty to help and support our mothers. One important way to do that is to help in chores. Individuals must try to do more household work. This would certainly reduce the burden of mothers. Hence, this will also improve her health. Another way of supporting mother is to speak words of affirmation. Mother's heart is made of gold. A few words of acknowledgement would fill her heart with happiness. There are probably several ways of doing so. One way is to praise the meal cooked by her. Above all, such acknowledgement should come on a regular basis. A mother is a gem in everyone's life. She is the ultimate source of happiness for a child. Her contributions are certainly too great to imagine. Above all, her love is pure. To find a mother who does not love is probably an impossible task.